Hello everyone, Namaste from Tarot Tales 369. Welcome back to the channel. Those who are new here, thank you for watching. Today's reading is on a different topic. I have put cards for the world energy. There's lots of chaos around us currently in the world. So much is going on. So, this was a channel message. So, I had to pull these cards. I have pulled three cards and also two advice from our angels and guides and one from our ancestors. So we'll check out what are the energies for the world, what's going on and what is about to come and how we should deal with it. Okay. And if you're liking the videos, please share them, subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon for further notification. Also, if you're interested in one-on-one personal reading, so you can always contact me for further inquiries. So let's check out what's there for the collective. So as the cards are showing here, exactly that is what's going on around us currently, right? This is like chaos and competitive energy in the world. Many are in a war-like situation, and we are seeing ideological clashes and political, economic unrest and social division and global struggles are going on in dominating each other. So there's this uh, scattered energies, and it's like some kind of a competition going on. Everyone is having their own ideology. Okay. No one wants to listen to no one, and everyone is trying to assert their perspective, without listening to each other. It's very noisy. Okay. So the world is definitely entangled in these battles of egos, and everyone is fighting for becoming the best and to be heard, but not ready to listen, and that's the problem. And this five of wands is showing those clashes between uh, the neighboring countries. Many are having war-like situations, and their ideologies are different. So everyone is putting their own perspective and not listening to each other, but debating equally. And they are like not acting in harmony. There's no harmony in the world currently, and everyone is trying to be victorious, holding their own wand. So much of a fire around currently. So five of wands is like that, confirmation. That's the traditional meaning of this. Huh? That everyone wants to hold their position rather than compromising, and this is like outright battle, and there's no agreement between each other. In terms of countries. So this is what is shown here, but also we have the judgment card that says this is time for our collective accountability. We are at the crossroads, globally, and facing those karmic consequences because the angelic messages are similar to these cards. So environmental neglect is there, injustice in system, greed is there, war is there, and judgment card is speaking to about this mass awakening. And it's like across the planet that you sing in that card, the trumpet. So it's like a spiritual trumpet for everyone, and urging humanity to rise above these lower vibrations and evolve further. So, as a humans, as collective, we are being asked to look in the mirror and decide what we want our future to be, and what we want to create for our coming generation. And also, three of Pentacles is talking about cooperation and building together. So this is like giving a hope. So it is also showing that conflict and these things will not work. So there is potential for co-creation. Sustainable development should be there. rebuilding things in harmony. So, what we need to do is, shift towards collaborations where, each person brings their own skills, and that is good for the collective. Okay. Governments and, communities and even individuals are, starting to realize that only when we come together, there can be solutions to, to build something. So, from this chaos, definitely awakening is coming, for the new world, uh, only if we are trying to work together. So the world is currently, in that state of internal and external struggle that is very much visible from here. Moving towards a period of deep soul awakening. This is time of karma being revealed, as Saturn is also in Pisces, and spiritual awakening. So this is like turning humanity to shift from uh, being divided to united, and the old systems are being challenged. You must be seeing, many things are being revealed and coming to light. The things are being exposed. So there's potential for something meaningful to be built. If we take this occasion as a positive shift for the humanity as a whole. And if we see to those ancestral advice from our angels and guides and our higher self, so the white eagle is saying that ancestral spirit, the message is to connect to your lineage. A family wound or pattern can be healed now. So it could be, we can see it as like ancestral wisdom and healing dimension in context of this world chaos. So this suggests that we are repeating ancient cycles of, those conflicts and colonization of those times, and, power imbalance. But now these are, all these things have this thin veil, and the curtains are, dropping, and ancestors as guiding to break generational, collective karmic patterns. So the wounds of the past, of wars and oppression and disconnection from our spirit, our higher purpose, are asking to be seen, and acknowledged, and there's a need for transformation. So to heal the world, we must, first honor our past and those wounds, and learn from it and not repeat it. So this we have asked, like, what the collective, as the individuals need to do in these times of chaos. So these are the messages. Also, Lady Venus is saying, downloads and understanding. So it says truth is being revealed. Deep insights are coming from heaven and the astral realm. So it amplifies the judgment cards theme, of awakening and that mass awakening. This surge of, divine wisdom and the cosmic truth. Okay. So people are, questioning illusions now and seeking higher understanding. What once was hidden is now being revealed and illuminated. Okay. So this definitely that collective consciousness is entering, and this is like mass awakening. Many people might be getting those dreams and visions, and through dreams, synchronicities, and spiritual leaders and those intuitive downloads. So people are now more aware and they are now awake. So this is definitely the era of that revelation, where sacred truth replaces those false narratives and so-called system, that corruption. And even our ancestors guidance in this Shaolin master card says, be graceful in movement and action. So slow and steady, be patient, methodical, and wise in your response. So it offers practical spiritual guidance here, amid this fiery energy of, wants, the conflict. This card here is teaching, the power of inner discipline and, restraining from these kind of things and peaceful strength. So it, urges the world to respond rather than react, to move with, mindfulness and instead of chaos. So building the new world definitely with those three of pentacles, okay, with collaboration, good tie-ups, and it will require, inner balance and outer mastery. So the Shaolin master is telling that, power isn't in domination. It lies in, patience and grace, and, helping each other as humans. So definitely the world is in, in deep collective tension and spiritual awakening, and yet we are being divinely, supported through our ancestral guides and angels, okay, and our higher selves. So definitely cosmic downloads are coming, and inner discipline has to be maintained. And the path forward is not in, conflicting with each other, but in awakening, in unity, and and those mindful co-creation. So definitely the new earth is, uh, just beginning to form, and it's being built, you know just one at a time, like moment by moment, through our conscious actions. So we as individuals, need to see the seriousness of it, okay. Global chaos and this power struggles are not going to get humanism, anywhere. These ego driven conflicting souls, uh you know uh we need to be awakened now, and more spiritually inclined towards our higher paths, and rebuilding like a teamwork, and make this earth more sustainable. Also you will see many people are, are more inclined towards spirituality these days. So many light workers and star seeds are awakening, and they are learning their true nature. So there is a lesson in these conflicts and little battles and this chaotic energy. So if you see more people around you are now talking about spirituality, and they are now more interested in this. So this is the outcome of that mass awakening that is happening, because the earth is shifting now. Okay, so this is very much required at this time. So this is like, if more people are awakened, whatever the assignment they have been assigned, so they have to implement it now. So let's help each other, okay, if you are one of them, if you are tuning in and listening to this. So in these times of hustle and debacle of large civilization is happening, okay. So anywhere you look around, in the west or in the middle or in the east, same things happening one after the other, okay. So this is not a coincidence. This is like, we are transitioning into new earth. So only those who are ready to serve others and willing to contribute for this bigger cause will be taken there, and many you will see will be left behind, okay. I think I need to pull more, one more card I am taking. I'm taking this call, like I have to pull one more card. My spirit guides and angels, are there any more messages and guidance you want to give for the collective, for the world energy currently? Please give me more card. I don't know, I'm channeling this, so I have to pull 2 3 more cards, I think. We'll see how many we get. Spirit guides and angels, please give me few more cards if you want to convey more messages for the collective. Please give me one or two cards want to convey to the collective today about this world energy, this chaos, and what they need to learn more. What is gonna happen? Please give one more card. Okay, we have got, okay, two cards are here. So Hermit and the Moon. Okay, so we have again the confirmation, collective illusion and this emotional turbulence in form of this Moon card. This is a Pisces card. So definitely, it reflects the emotional fog, covering the world currently. And many are, acting from fear and confusion, and, misinformation is spreading. So it, points towards manipulated narratives. So there are, secrets behind systems. Definitely there are, and psychological unrest is there. So people are, in general beginning to feel that what they see is not the whole truth. because it is not. And why they may not know what to trust. Okay, so there's this deep collective anxiety currently, and like walking through, the darkness, and unsure of what is coming at the end of the tunnel. So this, backs up the Lady Venus card here. So truths are being revealed, definitely exposing, and only to those, but as I said, who are willing to look beyond this, the curtains, the blindfolds. So only those will be, exposed to the truth. And hermit is the call to go within, so it invites us to step back from this noise, and turn inside and seek truth, through our inner wisdom that we have. So it encourages, that spiritual study, and that introspection needs to be done. And solitude is very much required at this time. So, you can connect with your soul purpose, your higher purpose. So, in global sense, it speaks to, about a quiet revolution happening beneath the surface that many are, unknown of, and individuals are awakening and retreating from mass narratives, and they are becoming those, light bearers for others. As I said, we, if we are awakened, we need to help others. Okay, in a world, lost in noise, and those who go within and seek, answers inside, will become the guides for others. So this is, backing up that Shaolin master's wisdom or ancestor card. So it says, true power comes from stillness and discipline. So definitely I was channeling, to pull more two cards, and so this is again the confirmation for us. So definitely, humanity is in chaotic struggle. The wands are saying, and emotional confusion and illusions are rising with this moon card, and awakening is underway, a mass awakening. That judgment card is saying that. So break cycles and rise above. And many are called now to reflect and reconnect to the truth. The hermit says that, you know and guidance is being offered, by our ancestors are always looking after us, the angels and our higher self. So our white eagle and Lady Venus, and Shaolin master, they're helping us. So definitely the path forward is, will be good with our efforts, collaborations, mindful and be patient, and you know what is hidden will be revealed definitely. So what is being broken now will be, healed, and the journey begins within. So you need to take that journey inside, and let each soul become its own light. So that's it for this. Thank you for watching. Namaste.